Since its foundation in 1980, FerroTec has polished its unique, distinctive technologies and launched a wide range of products, primarily focusing on the semiconductor market, and greatly expanded its presence on the world stage. In the fiscal year ending March 2023, we had a 210.8 billion yen in net sales and 42.4 billion yen in ordinary profit, both record highs. Let's look at our growth strategy for the semiconductor equipment-related business segment. In the semiconductor market, communications and networking demand, together with automated driving and data center investment, are expected to grow over the medium and long term. Advances in AI technology may lead to the further expansion of semiconductor demand in new fields, such as the metaverse. We forecast a steady rise in demand for our core products, the material products used in semiconductor manufacturing processing equipment, in concert with the expansion of the production capabilities of semiconductor manufacturers. We are planning to increase production of fabricated quartzware by our Shangshan, Hangzhou, and Dongtai plants in China. We are also planning to enhance our ability to provide development and prototyping support to semiconductor production equipment manufacturers through our Yamagata plant in Japan. For our fine ceramics products, we will expand our production capabilities in our main Chinese Jiangdong plant and also at our Shangshan plant. At our Ishikawa plant in Japan, we develop and manufacture machinable ceramics products for wafer inspection processes. To increase our production of fine ceramics products, in November 2022, we began operations at plant number 2, and we are aiming to add plant number 3 in mid-2024. Demand is also growing for the abrasion and heat-resistant CVD SiC products manufactured in our Japanese Okayama plant, so we have expanded our manufacturing capacity by adding a second wing. We also plan to begin production at our Shangshan plant in 2023 to meet the demand of the Chinese market. Demand for the silicon parts used in high-temperature semiconductor manufacturing processes is also growing among equipment manufacturers and device manufacturers. That's why we'll be increasing production in our Chinese Yinchuan and Shanshan plants. We provide 65% of the global market share for vacuum feed-throughs, core products that use ferrofluid technology. They are essential parts of semiconductor production equipment. In our metal processing and machine assembly contract manufacturing business, the expansion of the semiconductor market is driving increased demand for vacuum chambers, robot components, and unit assembly. We are expanding business in this segment through production in our Shangshan plant. In April 2023, Japan's Cosmos Science became a consolidated subsidiary, and we intend to continue expanding our metal processing business in Japan. We expect to put our new plant in Kedah, Malaysia, into operation before the end of 2023. In response to strong demand from our customers in Southeast Asia, we will establish a factory for metal processing, robot assembly, and the supply of semiconductor-related products such as quartz and ceramics. Our processed tool parts cleaning service for Chinese-based semiconductor companies and flat panel, OLED manufacturers is being offered by our Dalian, Tongling and Tianjin plants, our Neijiang plant in Sichuan province, and our Guangzhou plant in Guangdong province. We have also set up a research center in our Shanghai plant to perform more advanced analysis functions. In December 2022, the consolidated subsidiary of Anhui province that oversees the business successfully carried out an IPO on the Chinex board in Shenzhen. In Kumamoto, a region in Kyushu known as Silicon Island and home to one of Japan's largest semiconductor-related manufacturing clusters, construction of a new factory is currently underway, with the aim of expanding operations in quartz products and parts cleaning services. The completion of the new facility is targeted for around June 2024. Our strategy moving forward will be to expand our production bases globally, including Japan and Southeast Asia. In the area of semiconductor wafer production, we are performing front-end ingot manufacturing in Yinchuan, China. In Shanghai, we manufacture 4, 5 and 6-inch small diameter wafers, as well as 8-inch wafers. In Hangzhou, we manufacture both 8 and 12-inch wafers. 12-inch wafers show a particularly great deal of promise, driven by the tide of nationalization in China. By the end of 2023, we will establish a production capacity that accommodates a monthly production volume of 200,000 wafers to meet this growing demand. Furthermore, in order to expand production of epitaxial wafers, a new factory has been constructed in Lishui City, Zhejiang Province. We will increase our current production capacity of 60,000 12-inch wafers even further. At our Tongling plant in Anhui Province, we are also mass-producing reclaimed wafers and developing and commercializing single-crystal SiC wafers. Reclaimed wafers are regenerated to like-new quality, so they can be reused multiple times. This significantly cuts costs for device manufacturers. In order to meet increasing demand for power semiconductors in applications such as 5G wireless components, electric vehicles, and medical equipment, we will ramp up our production capabilities of SiC wafers to a monthly production of 65,000 units to cater to the growing market. In Yinchuan, we will add a second plant and increase production of quartz crucibles to meet rising demand from the photovoltaic industry. Another pillar of FerroTec's business is the electronic device business. Our thermoelectric modules, which enable precise temperature control, are world-leading products created using one of the world's largest-scale production systems. We hold the top market share globally in this field. They're used in the automotive, semiconductor, biotechnology, network communications, and home appliance industries, and our business is still growing. In 2023, we launched a temperature-controlled water circulation system called the chiller, which leverages the thermal management component technology of our thermoelectric modules. The chiller system is available in both Peltier and compressor types, catering to the semiconductor industry as well as the industrial machinery and medical fields. Power semiconductor substrates are the key to lower power consumption. Demand for DCB substrates is growing, led by the need for manufacturing equipment efficiency improvements and demand for use in home appliance inverters. We plan to expand our production capacity from the current 1.1 million substrates to 1.6 million substrates. We will increase our monthly production of AMB substrates from 200,000 to 700,000 to meet rising demand for electric vehicle inverters and other devices. Our Power Semiconductor Technology R&D Institute in Dongtai will reinforce our research and development of next-generation power device substrates and materials. In addition to our current production sites in Dongtai and Shanghai, we have completed in June 2023 our new plant in Zhejiang, Sichuan province, to meet the needs of the rapidly growing market. The automotive-related business has been positioned as a particularly important long-term business segment. Thermoelectric modules are already widely used in climate-control car seats, and expectations are high for these products, which are used in heated and cooled cup holders and in applications to dissipate heat from the CMOS image sensors used in automated driving. At our consolidated subsidiary, Oizumi Manufacturing, we are engaged in the development of thermistor elements and sensors, which exhibit changes in resistance in response to temperature changes. In the automotive sector, demand related to electric vehicle batteries is increasing, presenting promising opportunities for this product. Demand is rapidly rising for power semiconductor AMB substrates for use in electric vehicle inverters. This trend is forecast to continue into the future, and we have high hopes for these products, for which we also expect to see rising demand for train applications. Toyo Knife, which became a consolidated subsidiary in 2022, is a manufacturer of industrial knives for the information, steel, lumber, and industrial machine industries. In addition to expanding the Tomiya production facility in Japan's Miyagi Prefecture to state-of-the-art, we will also fully leverage our Hangzhou plant in China, strengthening our market cultivation efforts in Japan and China. In December 2022, we established the headquarters of FerroTec China in Shanghai. This strategic move aims to enhance our operational efficiency, research and development, financial management, and talent acquisition. The FerroTec Group will continue to do fair and equitable business with high-tech companies in the United States, Europe, Japan, China, Southeast Asia, and around the globe. We will focus on SDGs requirements for achieving sustainable growth, led by our corporate mission, and continue to grow as a company that contributes to the people of the world.